Goa government has created two blunders in one advertisement for 14 posts of government jobs. The Directorate of Women and Child Development has published an advertisement without asking for knowledge of Konkani compulsory. In addition, it has also asked for the desirable knowledge of Gujarati besides Konkani. Neez Goenkar has demanded to cancel these interviews while social media has slammed the government.
Directorate of Women and Child Development has published this advertisement. Applications are invited for 14 posts of probation women's officer, including 1 for ST and 3 for OBC. These are walk-in interviews to be held on 18th of this month. There is no column for knowledge of Konkani being compulsory. In fact, knowledge of Konkani is also desirable. And with Marathi, knowledge of Gujarati is also desirable. It means you can get a job even if you don't know Konkani, but only Marathi or only Gujarati. The post put up by youth leader Rajdeep Naik on Facebook has received sharp reactions from the youngsters. Spokesperson of Neez Goenkar Revolution Front, Chandrasekhar Vast, has also demanded that interviews be cancelled.
म्हाका दिसता ही इंटरव्यू चलता ही नावापुरती चल्लेली आसा. कांय द बॅकडोर ह्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी ऑलरेडी कॅन्डिडेट सिलेक्ट केले आसतले आनी हें सामकें कळटा गुजरातीचें ज्ञान विचारपाक. कारण गोंयांत सद्या आतां गोंयकारांचो असो टायम येयल्लो आसा साद्या डिपार्टमेंटान पासून नोकरी मेळपाची ना दिसता.
Our video journalist Viraj Kamath from Panji.